we just got home and we got finished Christmas shopping for everybody. We are officially done and we are about to start wrapping. So let's get started. Okay guys, so it is the next morning now. Alexa, cancel. And we got everything ready. We're gonna have some family coming over soon. But I wanted to show you guys everything that we got Baylee. We got a lot of stuff wrapped, and then some is like sitting out just for her to kind of be surprised. And I will film her reaction for you guys. So we have a few presents up there. We got her a new car seat for Seth's car, a kitchen. Some of this stuff is wrapped, a big mini, her stocking. Those are presents for family. The little cleaning set, the tea party set, a few more presents. That one is Minnie on a scooter, I think. And then that one is her little riding thing. So I think she's gonna be so excited. I am so excited to surprise her. So you guys just stay tuned to see her reaction. So right now I'm gonna go take these boxes off, this trash and stuff, and this trash off. But I got this decorated for the most part. I gotta come back into the dishes. Dishes are my least favorite chore, so I always put it off. But anyway, so everything is decorated. I gotta put the vacuum up after I finish vacuuming in the living room. And so yeah, we're all ready.
Hi, honey. I'm at your house. We'll go see Mimi. Oh, go get them. Bring them to Granny. Oh, my God. Help me. Lord have mercy.
She's confused.
Look at that.
Yay!
Go get that. You see him. Your phone is. Watch her. Wow. Look at her. Oh my God. How you doing, Mr. Me? Okay, cook Granny an egg. I want the egg. Can you fix me one? Fix it for Granny.
That is cute as it is. You done it.
Did you see what I got that day? This is what Granny got. Oh my goodness.
I've been wanting some of these. What kind of stuff? They're not. I would not do it. I hang it up and put them back. I put them in the bag and put them back and give them to myself.
Was it the same kind?
I wish you had $5.
Oh my God, look at the stockings. What in the world is this? This little fluffy thing.
Did you see your toboggan?
Yeah.
Look.
Oh my God, I love that one. Look at her stockings. Mimi's hat. Oh, I can take that. Look. I want Mimi. Oh, I want Mimi. Get to Granny. Says Baylee. Live on the ocean.
Oh, baby, you want any coffee? You want any coffee?
Pour Granny some coffee. They don't want me to do that. They don't want me to do that. Have you got a little cup for coffee? Look, Mimi got Bobby Chris. I think they cut nasty, but I think. Coffee, please. I need coffee. Pour some coffee.
You all can go and get the stuff and we'll meet you all
Pour Ben some. Oh, thank you.
Say hi. Say hi. We're gonna go eat and then we're gonna go see the lights. Are you excited? You wanna show them your new Mimi blanket? Wanna show them? Has your name on it. I don't know where at, but yeah. She's too occupied. Are you really going to? So we're seeing the lights. What are you doing? Say hi, everybody. Hi. We will show you guys. We're right now looking at the lights. Yay. So pretty. Ooh, Baylee, look. Oh my goodness. Are these things? right there, look.
Dude, Seth.
Oh. What's that up there in front of us, Baylee? A beep beep? Ooh, look. And then there is the racetrack that we're gonna go on. Ian's nervous. There's Santa and his reindeer. Yay! I don't know. Okay, here we go.
Okay, I'll take
Here
that
we
back.
go.
I'll take that back. It is gonna be
Here we go, down the ramp.
Actually, no.
And then here is
Bristol was the one that.
the racetrack.
I thought Bristol was the one that had the sides edges.
Ooh, look,
Okay, yeah,
Baylee,
it is. It is. Don't worry about that.
No, not all the way up here. So, I've already lived life. Look at Baylee.
This is super fun. Don't worry. This is super fun. Do it again, Seth. Come on now.
I can't, bro.
Everybody say cheese.
You can't right here.
I said all the way up. Like,
And then over in the middle they have drinks and snacks
get up
and
here, Seth, okay?
all of that stuff.
That wasn't scary.
Ooh, look how pretty. Y'all, we're at my favorite place. Let's go. It's also like 11 o'clock at night. These are so cute. These are really cute too. I don't know where I'd put all this stuff. And they have this really cute like plate and cup set, and then like some really cute little family crafts that you can do. I love these little like activities that you can do. These little door stickers or window stickers are so cute. I'm looking at all this Christmas stuff, then Christmas Eve is literally tomorrow. Oh my gosh, they have this little tiny letterboard. It's literally $3, you guys. I have to get this for Baylee's little kitchen. These are so cute. Baylee is obsessed with Minnie, as you guys know. They have these on sale for like $5 and something, so I'm gonna get a couple for my closet.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish